Then move to the larger one called as the Ganga plains. Come on. This is very, very important. The larger plains called as the Ganga plains. Since they are very large and extensive, again the Ganga plains are classified under three groups. One is called as Upper Ganga plains. The second one is called as Middle Ganga plains. The last one is called as, what is the last one? It's called as Lower Ganga plains. Since the Ganga plains are very extensive, where they are divided into three types. One is called as Upper Ganga, the next one is called as Middle Ganga, the last one is called as Lower Ganga. Now see here, if this is the Ganga river, okay, this is the Ganga, this is a very important tributary called as Yamuna. This plains is called as Upper Ganga plain. This is the one called as Middle Ganga. This is called as Lower Ganga. Give heading as Upper Ganga plains. Heading as Upper Ganga plains. Upper Ganga plains are made up of the depositions brought by the Ganga river and its tributaries are called as the Ganga plains, where they are classified into three types. One is called as Upper Ganga, the next one is called as Middle Ganga, the last one is called as Lower Ganga. Now give the heading as Upper Ganga. Upper Ganga is made up of three regions. One is called as here. What this river is called as? Ganga river. This is what? Yamuna. The land between two rivers called as Doab region. Which is the largest Doab that is present in India? Is called as, which is the largest Doab in India? Ganga Yamuna Doab. Which is a part of Upper Ganga plains, right? The first part, see this one. Upper Ganga plains consists of three regions. One, the largest Ganga Yamuna Doab region. When we say Doab is a very, very fertile areas, the land between two rivers, any river will be flooding and will be replenishing the soil naturally. Definitely the area should be having more prosperity, right? What is your homework? Pay attention here. What is your homework? You need to verify, you need to check what are the important cities that fall under this Doab. If you can write a list of important, well noted or the commercial or the manufacturing cities or maybe some industrial cities in this region, then you will be having good understanding about that one. Okay? Could you able to do that homework? Tomorrow I will be asking you. I will be giving a name like Faridabad. If I say Faridabad, immediately you need to tell, sir, it will be coming under so and so area. Why all you people kept a pale face? Don't want to work or what? Come on, check what are the important cities that fall under this one. I didn't give the same assignment here, but I will be asking the question also here. What is the very important city of Punjab that falls here in the Bist Doab? Sir, you didn't ask me to check the Bist Doab, sir. You asked only here in the Ganga plains, sir. Or else, let me put the question like this. The very important agricultural center of Punjab called as Jalandhar. Have you ever heard the name of the city called as Jalandhar? A very important commercial center of Punjab. Jalandhar falls under which of the following Doab regions? If they give 3 or 4, A, B, C, D, then you may be knowing Bist Doab, you know Bari Doab, you know Rashna Doab, you know even Ganga Yamuna Doab. But Jalandhar falls under which Doab? Then you will be taking the pen, you will be hitting the paper and you say, next year, pakka mai padunga ye. Next year, 1 year gone. If we can do the homework right now, then see, no one will be telling you, you need to search like this, you need to see like this. It is you alone needs to check all these things. What are the important cities that falls under Bari? What are the important cities that fall under Ganga Yamuna Doab region? It is you need to check, okay? The first and foremost area within the upper Ganga plain is called as Ganga Yamuna Doab. Then, the second very important plain area that comes under the upper Ganga plains is called as, the river called as Chambal. The Chambal basin. The Chambal basin comes under which plains? Upper Ganga plain. Okay? Chambal river, which is a peninsular river, which is draining into Ganga, nothing but Yamuna in turn into Ganga, which is related to upper Ganga plains. Is that clear? The first area is Ganga Yamuna Doab. Second one is Chambal basin. The third one, what is this region called as? To the north of Ganga, it's called as Rohilkhand plains. It's called as Rohilkhand. What is Rohilkhand? Listen this one. Once upon a time in the northern India, there used to have a dacoits called as Rohillas. Who are these Rohillas? These fellows, they don't do any work, but they will be hiding in the bushes. Whoever, the farmer or someone, whoever is carrying with a lot of, at that point of time, there is no such thing called as Paytm, payphone, there is no such thing where the passwords are not there. Whenever the people are moving from place to place, they need to carry their food material, they need to carry the cash. If the cash is not there, there is no question of wire transfer. The technology was so nascent at that point of time, right? At the point of time, these fellows, the Rohillas, used to attack the people and used to loot entirely, and the people used to kill the passerby. Therefore, they have created a very great administrative problem for the Britishers. It was Mr. Wellesley, that fellow has suppressed the Rohillas with the iron fist. Wherever the dacoits are there, the fellow started crushing the Rohillas. Even today, the land is called as Rohillas, Rohilla land. Could understand? What are the cities that come under? What are the cities that comes under? The very important city of India called as Delhi falls here. That's why, what you can find? Where is Delhi? Of course, it is, it comes in between like this, here it is. Okay, this is the area, entirely this area, but here, these are the people who started migrating here like this, and therefore you can find more. Where do you find much crime rate that is present? In this region, okay. Many times you will be coming across a number of things. Okay, this is what the Rohilkhand, Ganga Yamuna Doab, then Chambal basin, right? These are the three very important areas that forms upper Ganga plains, which is a very great hub for wheat production, right? A very great hub for wheat, and further the next product is, anyone can name the product? Sugarcane. A very great bowl of sugar, is called as sugar bowl of India. This is a region, right? Wheat production.